Hey guys, okay, so I'm excited by this one because this is my absolute favorite one. The College Board has thrown in this new type of question, which in my opinion is giving away points again. They're just throwing away points like candy here, okay? So let's take a look and see how to do this one. All right, as I mentioned, answer the question. Super simple, super easy. I don't even have to read anything else, unless it tells me to. But what is the question asking me to do? The question saying, which choice best completes the description of a self-reinforcing cycle? All I'm doing is looking for the answer that best describes a self-reinforcing cycle. That's it. I can just read the answer choices. A says is related to the rising temperatures. B says raises the surface temperature. C says begins to cool at a certain point. D says leads to additional melting. So already D is the only choice that really has some kind of cycle going on. And I can check just before to see what it says. It says as the ice melts, the land and water under the ice become exposed. And since land and water are darker than snow, the surface absorbs even more heat, which leads to additional melting because the thing that started it was the ice melting, right? So that is the self-reinforcing cycle. Answer choice. Done with very little effort indeed. Okay, let's try one more. Which choice gives a second supporting example that is most similar to the example already in the sentence? So in this case, I am going to read a little bit before here because I want to see which is similar to the example already given. And the sentence says, a couch, for example, is 7 inches long. Now, why the heck would a couch be 7 inches long? I mean, you can read to see that it's talking about a model, but I don't have to. Just which of these is similar to a couch being pretty small, right? A couch being 7 inches long is similar to a 7-foot long couch? Well, no, that's describing what the couch really was. It's not a second example. A teacup is about 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, a teacup's normally bigger than that, so that would be an example of something smaller. See, there are even tiny cushions on some. D, household items are also on this scale. Neither of these show me another example of something smaller. You may think D is kind of similar because it says on this scale, but it's not an example. A second example would be giving a specific case, like a teacup. So the answer here is B. So very straightforward. You just have to follow the exact details given in the question. The rest of the passage is irrelevant. Just answer what the question is telling you to do, follow the instructions, and you will always get the answer right.